Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tony reporting from the Excel region, and we are in Ikoyi in Lagos, Nigeria. And guess what? We're in one of the branches. Look at that, Saladmaster, one of the branches. Come and see it. Look at the little bit of the center. Wow. Come forward, come forward. I want you to show you some quick things because we're in a hurry. Listen, Tseekina invested in health. We love investing in health, and this is one of our branches in Ikoyi, Lagos. Come and pop down. Come see. Whoa, come and have a look inside. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is just to promote one of the branches, which is in Ikoyi, one of the top parts in Lagos. Guess what? We're here to serve you. As customers, we're here to serve you. People that want to come and join the business, we're here to serve you. Look, come along anytime between 9 and probably 6. Anytime you see someone here, and guess what? You're going to have some cookies, some chocolates, some coffee, and all healthy cake. And guess what? Some salad. Bring your friends, bring your family. Bring anyone that wants to know more about Saladmaster. If you have Saladmaster, come and see it again. Come and see it again. We've got the virtual presentation, we've got the physical presentation, and I'm going to introduce you to one more thing. One more person, which is our business development manager, and in Tseekina. Hi, here we are. Introduce yourself to everyone quickly.
Yes, hello everyone. This is the business manager of Tseekina. We are fired up and ready to go. We are here doing dinners and bring your customers in. This is the month of September. We want to change more lives, refer us on to more people, so we can do more presentations.
Saladmaster.
We change lives.
Oh.